Hold up.
What's up, everybody, and welcome to VC, Vincent and Camera. So, here we are in our second vlog, and I'm going to San Jose, Texas. Now, we're gonna go to the some resorts here in San Jose, Texas that you would be liking, everybody. So watch and enjoy my vlog. Thank you. And God bless. Let's go. And here is the San Jose General Santos City Perez Resort. And the second is Cawa Verde. Here is some details from Cawa Verde. And you can see the pool. By the way, it's sulfuric. And the Perez is same sulfuric, but they have also a natural water from the river. But for now, we choose to go there, even though we know that there's so as you say, we choose to go to the river and experience the natural water. So as you can see, uh, it's like dirty water, yeah, but it's not. It's just like that because it's raining lately. Always raining in Jensen. But it's clean, guys. So watch and enjoy. We're going to the other side so that we can swim to the green part or maybe east, east green part of the river. See that? I'm just showing all of you what's happening here. Uh, we are under the river. Literally under the river, guys. So, there's a horse there. You can see it. The river is going down the street. Yeah. So, watch me swimming here. Enjoying the water at all. So by the way, guys, the San Jose Resorts is near at the General Santos City Airport. Maybe at least along the way, only along the way at the City Highway, we call this diversion road near the airport. You can go there and you can see the signage. Let's see, the signage going to San Jose, General Santos. So now we're going home. Bye bye. Thank you.
Hold up.